Hola mi amigos, Bruce here. Well, today is going to be an interesting day. We are taking a food tour, a seafood tour throughout Bucerias, and this is our first stop, a meeting place. There's 11 of us in the tour, and we are going to be going throughout Bucerias to taste different types of seafood, local food stands, possibly fish tacos, maybe some raw fish, and we'll carry on from there. I just thought I would do this introduction. This is our third encounter with My Mexican Kitchen, which is the owner of the group. They do cooking, they do cooking lessons, and they also do these culinary tours. This is just the first place, first restaurant that we're going to. Gracias. Okay, our first stop, fish tacos. Ricon de ensalada. De encenda. First stop. Sorry folks, I missed it. I ate the taco before you could see. I'll hopefully get better at this as the day goes on. Thank you. So I had the two types of salsa on there. I had the tomato mix, and then I had the super black hot spice, that additional on the top.
You don't like it? Okay.
Thank you.
Oh. Oops. Just don't get up.
So here's our little gaggle of classmates here that we're doing our fish tour with. And you might recognize this street. This was where we did the art walk a few weeks ago. When I first came here, this was just a dirt road and there were no buildings at all. Now we have tall condos, buildings on both sides. It's great. Hola!
No, you're very serious.
Gracias.
Hey, look. Oh, look at Bruce smiling.
I think it's gas. The first one.
Aquí. So right here we have a fruit juice stand, and the people that own My Mexican Kitchen say that it's totally safe to drink here. They use purified water to mix everything. And we'll just have a look again. There's our sweet little girl that I just took the video of. And right now I'm having a natural pineapple juice. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I shouldn't be shaking the camera. Too fun, eh? We're underneath the bridge, though, the big highway. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Thank you. Sorry about that. Who would think you'd have a good fruit stand underneath the highway? This is a 4-lane highway here. Gracias. So now we are picking our favorite juice of the bunch, and mine was number 2, I think. We will see if I'm right. Let's just take another little video of my amiga down here. Hola, amiga. There you go. There you are. That's you.
Maracuyá? Okay.
Fruit trap. So this is our next stop. And we'll learn a little bit more about it, and then I will tell you how it is and what it was about later, if I remember. Mini Super. A lot of shopping is done on those here. Very tropical.
And one specific area that says signature dish from this place, and that we say is only available here. The first dish in the menu is something
thank
called
you.
stuffed pineapple, and that one,
Looks
for
good. Hi,
example,
folks.
if you come back to this place, I definitely recommend to try that one because that one is a good dish.
I'll be careful, Trudy. The Little B Spice Store Bulk. Right now we're on the lateral. The 4-lane highway is up there where that Hummer's just pulled across, and then we're on the lateral right beside the 4-lane. And just a quick look at some of the stores, businesses. There's the Little B, drugstore, and there's our crowd. We've been in this store, so we don't really have to go in. So Trudy's buying a clove of garlic.
88. Yo estoy hablando natural con mantequilla, solamente con chile. Con chile.
Gracias.
Nada.
How much was that?
9 pesos,
9 pesos.
which is about 80 cents.
Thank you.
So now we've worked our way from the other side of the lateral. We were just over there. We crossed the busy road, crossed over here, and then came up. And there was a small car accident over there, and they took the gentleman that was at fault away in handcuffs. We don't know why. Can't explain it all, right? This is one of the many fish stores in town. Pescaderia La Venadita. So here we are on the 4-lane highway, but to turn left off of the 4-lane highway, they're on the 2 lanes on the outside over there. We'll follow this Jeep. Oh, she's not turning. Guess I better go because my little group is moving on. I'm coming. Imagine that coming at you at 100 kilometers an hour. So they try and promote the local family mini supers versus the big kiosco. Like this is like a 7-Eleven or a Mac store. So they try and, the locals try not to use them. But of course the tourists like it, right? Now we're heading down this nice street. Got my... And I'll carry on. Sorry for all the short clips. So this is our next stop. They've got a little restaurant set up underneath a tree. It's perfect. You gotta have shade here. And our little gaggle of gringos is right here. And one thing what's happening right now is they've peeled off all of the cobblestone. This is a true cobblestone street. And we think they're redoing some facilities, and they're going to respread the cobblestones there that are piled up right over there. So next year we hope to have a redone street of real cobblestones like the old days. Okay folks, here we go. This is the first time I've had fish cooked in lime juice instead of by heat.
Different brands, and when you find one that you like it,
I already cheated and had a little. Sorry, Beth. Actually, I don't mind that. I'm going to have a little bit more. But you got to go slow, that's all.
Oh, I'm going to try this one. Let's top it. See if it's as hot as the other one was. Octopus? Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. It's really mild. This is octopus. And this is tostada. 3 different kinds, I think.
It's not like the other place.
There's another stop. Candy store this time. We're getting near the end of our little tour.
They add some ingredients around, and sometimes you put like sesame seeds, like this one. So in the middle, you need to ask for the size or just which one it is. This one is peanuts. This one is pickled. I think this one is almonds. These one are seeds, also with sugar.
Just have a little look around town here.
This is where I bought the coffee too.
I'm back. This is one of the reasons why the streets are looking so messy right now. They've got them, all of them, torn up. So it doesn't look like this all the time. Just trying to show you that there's a reason why they look so rough. There's the cobblestones that have been pulled back to be put on later. So it's original cobblestone city. Alright. I don't know how to describe this, but I'll just take a nice video of it.
Egg with chili with raw shrimp.
Yes. Thank you, Trudy. Once again, Trudy's on YouTube.
Have you eaten here before? Have you walked by?
Yes. And it's busy.
It's always a lot of people.
Yeah.
Here we are on the other side of the bridge at the end of our seafood tour, and you can see that up on this end of town everything's finished and the roads are all repaired and it's all back to normal. We're just at a place called Sandrina's now. I don't know, there it is. We're just making a reservation here to come later. It's a beautiful old place, eh?
Completing a trip nearby.